As far as Doge support floor, it especially essentially is currently $0.056 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin cost examination essentially is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin generally fundamentally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, which in a real sense is very critical. Doge basically fundamentally rose 1.33% in 7 days, or so they truly thought. 01 October 2023, in this video we will by and large generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and sort of fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Generally in a real sense is Doge a truly wise interest in a truly significant manner, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging very profound into the Doge specialized investigation, let us discuss the essentially really current economic situations, which for the most part generally is very critical, which certainly is very huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,081,218,746,604 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The by and large fundamentally complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $28,380,033,012 in an unpretentious manner amazingly. Bitcoin shares 48.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, certainly truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which especially generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,093.06 level after a vertical development of 0.13% incredibly, which is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically really has seen a value reduction of 0.43% coming to $1,672.26 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.90, following a value change of 0.89% within a similar time span, or so they in a real sense thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, basically essentially is somewhere near 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very critical. These occasions in a real sense show that the market really is going in a very descending heading for pretty certainly present moment, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As of now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a decently genuinely enormous manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to distinguish most certainly extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, kind of truly in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of essentially become commonly basically more actually especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought, which especially is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition generally for the most part is a level at which vendors essentially especially become move fundamentally sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following generally most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, entirely is at $0.062, down 0.67% in the precise beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 1.33% throughout the week, exhibiting how similarly. Opposition sort of is a level at which merchants fundamentally sort of become move pretty dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they in every practical sense thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 130,326,481.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $8,745,641,806 United States dollars, which shows that 01 October 2023. In this video we will actually especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these as often as possible, fundamentally sought clarification on some things, facts, what basically by and large is genuinely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, by and large is Doge an essentially wise speculation, which generally is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. There for the most part are practically 141,236,946,384 really are available for use out of 141,236,946,384 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for 01 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time period in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, or so they by and large for the most part thought. We use in every practical sense, beautiful relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty essentially normal, EMA, to generally truly examine the future development of the Dogecoin. Showing that Dogecoin for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064. While Doge's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, certainly essentially signal generally in every practical sense, is by and large conceivable at this reach. Showing how Doge by and large for the most part rose 1.33% in 7 days in a genuinely enormous way. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, which certainly shows that these occasions for the most part truly demonstrate that the market really is going in every practical sense. Pretty descending heading for especially transient in a kind of enormous manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the truly everyday diagram, so the sort of absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,380,033,012, or so they all things considered, explicitly thought. The in every practical sense, relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Dogecoin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI fundamentally truly is at 24, which certainly explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin effectively breaks its most memorable opposition level of $0.062, quite in spite of prevalent thinking amazingly. Presently Doge by and large has a barely the closest obstruction of $0.064, which sort of basically is genuinely huge in a significant manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in a real sense help the upturn energy, which for the most part is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. The purchasers could then focus on the upper opposition put at $0.068, which extremely is genuinely critical. Ends Dogecoin sort of has pretty not many recuperation risks and could sort of keep testing quick obstruction level of $0.062 before long, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%